You spent hundreds on supplements to feel better, sleep deeper, and boost your energy. But what if those expensive pills in your cabinet are making you worse? Sarah's a 47-year-old woman whose husband had to rush her to the ER last month. The reason was that she had just started taking two new supplements together that nearly shut her system down. The terrifying part, millions of women over 40 are making this exact mistake every day. Let's talk about 5 dangerous supplement combinations you need to avoid. Number 4 is super important to minimize the risk of blood clots, so you don't want to miss it. The shocking truth is that certain supplement combinations can trigger dangerous reactions in your body, especially after 40, when your metabolism and hormones have changed. Today, I'm revealing the 5 supplement pairs you should never take together. Hi, I'm Dr. M, an integrative psychiatrist. Before we dive in, let me be clear. I'm not anti-supplements. Targeted supplementation can be transformative for women in perimenopause and menopause. But when combined incorrectly, these natural remedies can become surprisingly dangerous. Think about it. You wouldn't mix certain prescription medications without consulting your doctor. Yet many of us combine supplements without a second thought, assuming that because they're natural, they must be safe. Studies show that less than 30% of women discuss these combinations with their healthcare providers. This disconnect creates a perfect storm for dangerous interactions. Let's break down the 5 risky combinations you need to avoid. Number 1, St. John's Wort plus antidepressants. St. John's Wort is popular for mood support during perimenopause, but when combined with prescription antidepressants like Zoloft, Lexapro, or Prozac, it can lead to a potentially life-threatening condition called serotonin syndrome. Imagine your brain's serotonin system like a bathtub. Antidepressants prevent the drain from emptying, while St. John's Wort turns up the faucet. Together, they can cause dangerous overflow, leading to symptoms like confusion and agitation, rapid heart rate, dilated pupils, muscle rigidity, fever. Even more concerning, St. John's Wort speeds up liver metabolism, causing your body to clear antidepressants too quickly, essentially making your medication less effective when you need it most. If you're taking an antidepressant and want to try St. John's Wort, first talk to your doctor. Number 2. 5-HTP or SAMe plus antidepressants. Here's another combination that can lead to serotonin syndrome. Both 5-HTP and SAMe are popular supplements for mood support during perimenopause and menopause. They work by boosting serotonin production, which sounds great until you realize they're doing this while your antidepressant is already increasing serotonin levels. A study in the Journal of Clinical Psychopharmacology documented several cases of women experiencing severe serotonin syndrome after adding the supplement to the antidepressant regimen without medical supervision. One of my patients, Kelly, added 5-HTP to her prescribed Lexapro after reading online that it could help with her perimenopausal sleep issues. Within 48 hours, she developed tremors, profuse sweating, and confusion, all signs of serotonin syndrome. Thankfully, she received proper treatment in the ER. I'll share a safer alternative for sleep support in just a moment, but first, let's talk about a supplement combination that's particularly relevant for women in perimenopause and menopause. Number 3. Black cohosh plus antidepressants. This is the combination I mentioned earlier that so many menopausal women get wrong. Black cohosh is one of the most popular supplements for hot flashes and night sweats. It seems like a natural choice to pair with your antidepressant if you're managing both mood and menopause symptoms. However, research published in Menopause, the Journal of the Menopause Society, found that black cohosh can interact with SSRIs and SNRIs, potentially triggering serotonin toxicity or even muscle breakdown, a serious condition called rhabdomyolysis. The risk increases the longer you use this combination, which is particularly concerning since many women take both for months or years during their menopause transition. Instead of this risky combination, consider working with an integrative provider to find safer alternatives for managing both mood and menopause symptoms. For many women, targeted hormone support combined with lifestyle modifications can reduce the need for multiple medications. Number 4, CoQ10 plus blood thinners like warfarin. CoQ10 is a powerhouse supplement for women over 40. It supports mitochondrial function, helps maintain heart health, and may even reduce migraine frequency, all valuable benefits during menopause. However, if you're taking blood thinners like warfarin, CoQ10 can reduce their effectiveness, according to research in the American Journal of Cardiology. This doesn't mean you can't take CoQ10, it just means your doctor needs to monitor your blood thinner dosage more carefully and adjust as needed. Number 5. Vitamin K and blood thinners. Vitamin K directly counteracts medications like warfarin. This is because vitamin K is essential for blood clotting, precisely what blood thinners try to prevent. If you consume high amounts of vitamin K, it can reduce warfarin's effectiveness and make your blood more likely to clot. What makes this tricky is that vitamin K is found in many multivitamins and green supplements that women over 40 often take for bone health and inflammation support. Even more concerning, many women don't realize that their green superfood powder contains significant vitamin K. If you're on blood thinners, check all supplement labels for vitamin K content and work with your doctor. These are the 5 interactions, but we also have to mention magnesium, one of my favorite supplements for women over 40. It supports sleep, mood, and muscle relaxation and may help with migraines. Magnesium can interfere with the absorption of certain antibiotics, particularly tetracyclines and fluoroquinolones, reducing their effectiveness significantly. It can also amplify the effect of diuretics, potentially leading to dangerous electrolyte imbalances and muscle weakness. Timing can help with the magnesium interaction. Taking magnesium at least 2 hours before and 4 hours after antibiotics helps. If you're on diuretics, work with your doctor to monitor your electrolyte levels and adjust your magnesium dosage accordingly. Now that you know these dangerous combinations, here are 3 practical steps to keep yourself safe while still getting the benefits of targeted supplementation. 1. Create a supplement schedule. Map out when you take each supplement to avoid dangerous combinations. Use a pill organizer with AM/PM compartments to separate interacting supplements. 2. Bring all your supplements to doctor appointments. Vitamins, minerals, herbs, and protein powders. Your doctor needs the complete picture to spot potential interactions. 3. Start with food first. Before adding any supplements, optimize your nutrition. Many women find that consuming nutrient-dense food reduces their need for multiple supplements. Before I wrap up, I want to share the approach that's transformed outcomes for many women in my practice. Strategic cycling. Rather than taking every supplement daily, consider cycling certain supplements based on your menstrual cycle if you're still seeing your menses, or in 2-week intervals if you're postmenopausal. For example, adaptogenic herbs like ashwagandha might be more beneficial during high stress weeks, while magnesium might be prioritized when sleep is more challenging. This approach reduces the risk of interactions and prevents your body from adapting to supplements, keeping them effective long term. Let me know in the comments which supplements you have found the most helpful or which ones you worry about.